Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath.
This is real footage captured by BOTSLAB W510 solar security camera kit. Detailed 4K video, smooth auto tracking, and wide coverage. After testing the full 4-camera kit, it's clear that it brings together strong imaging, smart AI, and a setup process that almost anyone can handle. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we are gonna talk about this BOTSLAB W510 camera kit, home security kit. Before I start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, let's start from ultra clear imaging. Each camera records in 8 megapixel 4K Ultra HD. Daytime video is sharp and detailed, while vivid color night vision makes low light scenes far clearer than most traditional security cameras. Important details like clothing, objects, or vehicles remain visible even in challenging light.
This place is where the sun shines forever free.
What separates the W510 kit from many other DIY systems is the AI engine known as Botslab IQ. Instead of relying on basic motion alerts, it introduces 3 distinct smart features designed to make surveillance more useful and efficient. The first is intelligent notification. Rather than sending out vague alerts, the system identifies what's actually happening. Notifications arrive with detailed context, making it immediately clear whether an event matters or not. This reduces false alarms and builds confidence that important activity won't be missed. Next up, intelligent alarm. This feature adds a proactive element to security. When unusual activity is detected, the camera can automatically trigger a voice alarm that responds to the situation.
Intelligent surveillance has been activated. This area is under 24-hour monitoring.
Instead of staying passive until footage is reviewed later, the system acts in real time to discourage unwanted behavior. The third feature is intelligent search, which transforms the way recordings are reviewed. Instead of scrolling through hours of video, the app allows simple keyword-based searches. Type in a description, and the system immediately filters through stored clips to find relevant moments. This saves time and makes reviewing footage far less tedious. Every camera in the kit supports 360-degree PTG movement with automatic tracking. Once motion is detected, the lens follows smoothly, eliminating blind spots. Paired with the H200 Home Hub, the kit also supports cross-camera tracking. Activity can be followed as it moves between different zones, creating the effect of a single, connected monitoring system. Unlike many systems that require cloud subscriptions, the W510 operates without ongoing costs. The included Home Hub provides 32 GB of local storage, expandable up to 16 TB. All video streams are encrypted, keeping recordings private while avoiding monthly service fees. One thing I really like about this BOTSLAB W510 kit is it is solar powered and it's very easy to install. Oh, that's 2 things. Each unit is completely wire-free, running on a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery that is continuously topped up with solar power. Installation is quick and straightforward. Mount the cameras, pair them with the hub, and the system is ready. There is no complicated wiring, which makes the 4-camera kit practical even for larger areas. The Botslab Home application ties everything together in a clean, intuitive layout. The main dashboard shows all connected cameras at a glance with live previews that open instantly. From there, switching to full screen view allows PTG control, playback, and quick access to settings. Inside the settings menu, we have detection settings, which allows us to set sensitivity, detection schedule, and zones. We also get battery management, AI skills, AI tracking, night vision, and sound settings. Inside the AI skills, the system's advanced functions are organized for easy customization. Beyond the flagship AI skills, options include human recognition and vehicle protection. These filters make it possible to focus on events that matter most while ignoring background movement. The application also manages storage settings, private zones, and real time notifications. Thumbnails and clear event tags make it easy to understand what triggered an alert. Overall, the experience feels polished, powerful, and approachable. The W510 kit is well suited for homeowners who want reliable protection without subscription costs, for families who prefer eco-friendly solutions powered by solar energy, and for smart home enthusiasts looking for advanced AI features in a DIY package. It balances high-end technology with straightforward usability. After extended use, the BOTSLAB W510 4K Solar Security Camera Kit stands out as a strong all-in-one security system. High-resolution imaging, advanced AI features, full 360-degree coverage, secure local storage, and a smooth application experience all combine in a package that is easy to set up and cost-effective to maintain. If you are looking for powerful home protection without the headache of wares or subscriptions, the Botslab Solar Camera Kit might be the best bet. Okay, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Botslab W510 kit. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.